Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Writing a dissertation is hard, so many students don't know how to start. In this video, I will show you how to plan your time. I made a simple 12-month plan for you. I also created for a free guide. You can see it on my screen. The links below to video. Let's start. Step 1, months 1 and 2, you choose your topic. You read academic papers. Month 3, you write your proposal, you show it to your university advisor. Months 4 and 6, you collect your date, you do surveys or interviews. Months 7 to 9, you analyze your date, you start writing your first draft. Months 10 to 12, you check your mistakes, you prepare for the final defense. Next one, important rules. 1. Fix your research question first. Don't college the date before this step. 2. Get ethics approval early. You need this before you start to people. 3. Finish your first draft 2 months before to the deadline. You need time for changes. Guys, finally, 3 quick tips. Tips 1. Write a little bit every week. For example, just 2 pages. Tip 2. Use Retour or Mendeley for your reference. It saves a lot of time. Finish. Tip 3. Talk to your advisor every 2 weeks. That's all. Click the link below and copy these Google Docs for yourself.